I'm breathing hard as I think about my time. I'm breathing hard as time goes on. My heart's in the right place. My mind is out there somewhere else. I'm breathing hard just to get along. I took a step back in time just to break back my peace of mind. I took a step back in time just to get a little peace of mind. I thought maybe I could find it, just loving you, and I know it wasn't where I thought it was. Peace of mind doesn't always be what you think. It's sometimes something quite other than life. Peace of mind doesn't always get you where you want to go. I know, 'cause I've been there and back home again. And so I break away from the regular way that people play. I do it on my own way I wanna do it, yes I do. Now if you don't like it, then you don't live it. You can do it and you can take a nice little slice of it, put it back in the groove. Sadness and happiness too. I was thinking a little bit out about you. Those big eyes are open to the world. Time keeps moving on, and time keeps moving